Well, my heater's been running for about 10 or 15 minutes out here in the garage before I take off, and I've had the garage opened up so I won't get gassed. I had it set on 23 degrees centigrade, and even with the window down, when I got in, this car was just toasty warm. And the valve seems to be working real well. I haven't tried the defrosters yet, but haven't really had an occasion to. But when I get out later on, I'll turn on the defrosters to full, and we'll see how it happens. Now I just have to pull back for defrosters, push forward for floor air. That's going to work just fine like that. Okay, here's with the defroster all the way on. And I don't know if you can hear the difference in that airflow, but yeah, it's made a lot of difference having this valve in. Well, it's a 15-degree day, and I've got my windows up, and I am more than comfortable. Hell, the window's been down up until just a couple, 3 minutes ago, and I've got this thing set on about 22 degrees centigrade, which appears to be more than adequate. So, yeah, for a typical Kentucky winter, this is going to more than do it.